A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Only did know say in a today day 2022 you still have people when are free to talk about the good news about Jesus Christ. And we need to pray for them. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, may I beg you, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Because me no want you ball when you miss out pa none of what I go on. Right there so. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Colossians, chapter 4, from verse 7 to verse 18. Tychicus, our good brother, him ever a trust in a God. We love him. Him a work for the Lord just like we. Him will tell you all of what happened to me. Me send him to you so him can tell you how we are do. And help push you for go on and make you feel happy again. He might come with Onesimus, with good brother, where we love to, and we ever trust in a God. He might want to know. The two of them will make you know what go on over your soul. Aristarchus, where they in a prison with me, him send howdy. Barnabas' cousin Mark say howdy too. Me telling about Mark already. So, if he come to know, welcome him. And Jesus, where people call Justus, him send howdy too. Them three mania are the Uncle Jew where walk with me to get people to start follow God and take him for them king and make him rule over them. And boy, they help and push me whole heap. Epaphras, we come from amongst and we are one of Christ Jesus servant them, him say howdy too. Him ever pray for with all him heart. Him pray say we turn up strong in a God and not tap trust in him. Him pray say we believe in a God so till nobody can make tap trust in him. And him pray hard say we know for sure what God want to do and for believe. Me for one can tell how hard him work for and for the people them where they are Laodicea and Hierapolis. With good friend Luke, the doctor, him and Demas saying howdy too. Tell the brother and sister them at Laodicea, say me say howdy. Tell Nympha howdy, and God people them will meet up and have church or yard. After somebody read the letter you too, make sure say somebody read it for the people them at Laodicea will believe in a God. And if you read the letter when me send, go give them. Tell Archippus this for me. Make sure say you done the work where the Lord give for do. Cause him ya work for. This and me, Paul, me a write and tell you howdy with me own hand. Member say me chain up in a jail. Me pray say God will love you even though we no deserve it. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.